sometimes there are just glorious misunderstandings, and I love it when that happens. It's through nobody's ill will, and it just happens. And one of my favourites usually happens at the beginning of the year when children are still a bit nervous and they want to please, and they haven't yet learnt the courage to say, look, there's something seriously going wrong. Even if they know it, they haven't got the courage, and they quite haven't got the words to break it down. They know there's a problem, but they can't quite phrase it. So I say, do questions 1 to 7. And they go, 1 to 7? And I go, yeah, 1 to 7. By which I mean 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1 to 7. They go 1, 2, 7. Because it's 1 to 7. It's great, isn't it? I hope you have a lovely, lovely day. See you soon. Bye-bye.